What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a drop fade on another one of my brothers. This is during the pandemic, but he is one of my brothers, so I won't be wearing no mask or gloves. But yeah, other than that, let's get right into the video. So first, just like any other haircut, you're gonna start combing through, making sure the hair is laid nicely before you start the cut. And y'all, right here is the crown area. So you want to make sure you comb this in the right way, which is like in a circle motion, just so that when you cut, it won't have no hair sticking up. Now we'll go ahead and set in our first guideline with my wall reflections, just a little bit above the ear. Now I'm going with my trimmers to clean the rest up. And this haircut I won't be using the box shaver, so just so y'all know, it's just gonna be the trimmers. Now with your 1.5, you're gonna go in and create a guideline just to know pretty much where you need to come close to stopping. Now I went ahead and switched over to my wall seniors. Lever all the way open. Go ahead and set on our next guideline about an inch to half an inch up. Now to start taking out that guideline, we'll go ahead and close the lever about halfway and start flicking at the bottom line. Y'all will see right here, I close the lever and then start taking out that last guideline on the way bottom. Pretty much what you do on one side of the head, you'll do all around. I do take out all the lines first, and then I start detail work before I go on to the next guideline. Next guideline, we'll get our one guard all the way open, going up another inch. Now with your half guard 3/4 of the way open, you start taking out that line, and as you go down, you start closing it. Now before I go on with my last guideline, which is my 2 guard all the way open, I'll do clip over comb to clear some more bulk, and then I'll go in with the 2 guard. Now to take out the last guideline, you'll get your 1.5 with the lever 3/4 of the way open and start flicking at that line. Now that bottom line wasn't coming out, so I get my 1 guard all the way open, which is pretty much a 1.5, and start flicking at that line. If it doesn't come out, I'll close it some more and then take out that line. To line them up, you do want to lift up the hair like I do right here, and then line him up to just get that hair that's hanging over. I was gonna do the beard lineup and fade, but I'm just gonna save that for another video. So I'm gonna line him up from the front, and then we'll see the final product. Alright, y'all, that is a cut. Hope y'all liked it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.